Mesdames et messieurs, nous avons
I'm reminding this August Assembly, all honourable members, that you are being watched live on TV.
Oh, you, les autres partis connaissent, nous payons les autres.
Madam Speaker, this so honourable member, Paul Béranger, has uttered the most sincere towards me.
Oh, you, qu'il dit?
I would very humbly request the Honourable Prime Minister to withdraw the words Pepsi Party.
Ouais, pas de Pepsi, mais de cocaïne.
Yesterday you were licking my hand and other parts.
Après, demain qui peut là?
He put his hand down there and showed me his private parts.
Eh bien, on te connaît, tu connais. Tu content ça toi?
Démentis ça! Si tu vrai, démentis ça!
Please, why are you getting excited with me?
Asti, cha-cha!
T'as l'air pour une tchatchi tout?
What type of minister, Honorable Sinatambu, has just said get to him? Everyone has heard him. Everyone has heard him. Shame on him.
Et t'as topé un respect au moment du monde?
I believe that he cannot show his private parts to another member of this House.
Madam Speaker, he has to withdraw unconditionally. Otherwise, I'm not that criminel. Pas laisse-moi cause d'autoir. T'as l'air cause d'autoir criminel.
Point.
Mid-kite.
Midpoint.
Mid-pint.
Allez le bouffon.
Je voudrais que l'honorable Henri, qui m'a traité de voleur, qu'il retire ses mots.
Ça va me foncer là. Molien peut bouger dans ce tome. Peut bouger dans ce tome.
Shut up, dog! Shut up, dog!
Bientôt, tu aimes te push shut up. Tu aimes te push shut up.
They want to give us lessons!
Please,
What nonsense this honourable member is saying.
I have to order you out.
And then you will see what metal I am made of.
Iron Man, toi? Calcul Man? Castrol Man?
Babu,
Madam Speaker,
Honourable Bagwan, do you want me to suspend the session?
Claque, vous avez eu une claque avec la Cour suprême. La Cour suprême t'a claqué. La Cour suprême vous a claqué.
À la clac, 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 clac. Clac, clac, clac.
on a point of order, just as a friend, do you need a break to breathe in and to calm down? No?
Sakil, tu fais rire. Have a break? Have a biscuit.
Honourable Béranger, you don't make gestures with me, right?
Requin moustache. Requin moustache.
Honourable Béranger, I order you out. I order you out, Honourable Balamoudi, Honourable Bakwan, Honourable Outim. I order you out.
Comment j'ai fait réclame? Camel Nut. I order you out. And point out.
Thank you for withdrawing.
Time is over already.
Dear Chacha.
C'est ce qu'appelle la vérité qui vous dérange. À bien chère vidéo là. Prochaine vidéo qui est venue bientôt. Ensemble, nous mettez, nous brillons ensemble.